Alright, today class, I will discuss about just in time. Okay? Yung tinatawag natin just in time. Okay? So, tinatawag din tong GID. Okay? So, just in time or GID. Sa iba, tinatawag din tong back flash accounting. Okay? So, tinatawag din tong back flash accounting. So, later, no, why is it that it is known as back flash and just in time? But before that, what are the 5 principles? No? So, what are the 5 principles of GIP? Okay? So, please take note of this. What are the 5 principles of the just in time? Number 1, yung tinatawag natin total quality management. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng total quality management? Ibig sabihin, class, no? It, just in time, very important.